The friendship between the Jewish and Serbian peoples goes back to thousands of years. In the modern world, our two peoples were united in struggle and in suffering. During the terrible years of the Second World War in Serbia, our people face brutal persecution and murder at the hands of the Nazis and their friends. We will never forget the role of the Serbian people in fighting Nazism. It's a badge of honor and one that is deeply felt in our hearts and will always, always be there.
Serbs have a long history, the same as the Jewish people. We have a lot of common denominators, by the way. I feel always the similarity in our histories.